Painting is hard and I want to die. Oh, that sounded very auto-tuned, but I think it was just phlegm. Yeah, I have curtains now. You like my curtains? Looks kind of weird, but it separates the chill space and the workspace nicely, which is what I need. So another great thing to do is to cook, because cooking gives you something to do and it gives you a product, and that helps you to not be depressed when you're doing nothing. But I'm making lasagna. A very loose lasagna. Loose? It's a loose lasagna because it doesn't have meat or cheese in it. And it's gluten-free. It's like a layered pasta thing. Don't cry because it's over. Cry because you can. It's your birthday. You can cry if you want to. Actually, I never buy pasta sauce. I always make it. But this one looks good. Oh, I'm so strong. My hat is too small for my vegetables. I want to tear. Well, you can't see shit. Sorry. Goodbye. Wow. I don't know, I guess I'm just feeling hesitant to even like continue filming this because I don't expect this painting to turn into anything, like into a piece, if that makes sense. I'm really just using this really big canvas as a way to practice, but I suppose that's important too. Like, I don't know, if I saw someone practicing, it would make me feel better that not every painting that I do turns out fucking incredible. I had all these calluses on my hands. I'm just like going to the gym and doing things, and now that I am not doing things, they're all fucking starting to peel. I'm gonna have to build them all back up. Unless, I don't know, go on some monkey bars or something. Okay, so this is where we're at with the face. And I'm at a point where I'm happy to leave it for the moment, and I'm gonna move on to her hair. I probably should be painting the three faces at the same time, but I don't want to do that. And I also have not been doing any time lapses because I feel like time lapses are really fucking boring.
Are you recording your drawing? That's cool. Epic.